What's up, peeps? Dion Mitchell in the house. Back at you this Thursday with more information on income shifting. Income shifting is a financial strategy that will help put money back into your pocket. So I'm going to recap a little bit from Monday to just give y'all what I talked about then, so you kind of are familiar with what I'm speaking about today. So, income shifting is a financial strategy that lowers your taxes to put more money into your pocket. That's essentially all it is. All it is correcting your W-2 or W-4 so that you can right size your taxes. If you print out the Form W-4 on the IRS.gov website, you will see in the upper left-hand corner that it states that the Form W-4 is used to tell your employer how much taxes to take out of your pay, and that this form can be completed whenever you have a financial change or life situation that happens to you, i.e. you buy a house, you get married, you have kids. Those are changes in your life. So the IRS W-4 form says that anytime any of those events happen, that you can basically adjust it to your current situation. So that's the recap. So I'm gonna go ahead and move forward this morning with a little bit more information. So I want to encourage people to take time to read this form. Just don't watch the video and then go mark it up. Read it. One of the mentors in the business always says you have to ask yourself a question every time you read one of the statements. And I'll give you an example. The first line of the W-4 says, enter 1 if no one can claim you on their taxes. Well, all you have to do is ask yourself really a question. Does this apply to me? If the answer is yes, then you put the 1. If it's not, then you don't put anything. You put a 0. And that's essentially how it goes. So I'm going to, probably on Friday, I'm probably going to take out or print off me a blank W-4 and just go through some of the questions so that you can kind of get a better understanding on how to right size your taxes. Now, here's the thing. You can correct your taxes to whatever your current situation is and not have to get in the business. So that's what it's all about. It's about right sizing your taxes to your current living situation so that you can get more money to do the things you need to do. Pay bills, pay off debt, get your credit cards paid off, save for a vacation, save for an emergency fund, save for a true emergency, which is about 6 months of your expenses, and begin to invest so that you can have a healthy retirement nest egg when you're ready to retire, if that is your goal. So tomorrow I'm going to print off me a W-4 and have it right in front of my face so that I could walk through the questions with you and kind of give you a narration of how this form is supposed to be filled out. That way, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section or you can message me. But most people don't know also that the Form W-4 is not just one page. It's actually 2 pages. There's a back page that most people do not see because your employer usually doesn't display that information, because typically it's not applicable to a person that has a job. So the second page of the Form W-4 is for people that have home-based businesses. And what this section, or one of the sections back there, does is it helps you get more allowances if you have a home-based business, because there's some other deductions that you'll wind up taking if you have a home-based business that you can't as an employee or a person that just has a job. So I'll probably go through that too. It won't apply to most people unless you have a home-based business. Now, if you have a home-based business, you especially want to pay attention to that section, because it has information that is vital to the survival of your home-based business. So that's where we're at right now. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please message me. Please put a comment in the comment section, and I'll do my best to address all questions. So that's all I got this morning. This is Dion Mitchell, OTC Financial Solutions. Well, by the way, my Facebook page, OTCU, will be changing to OTCU Financial Solutions, because I'm in a personal finance company. I'm a network marketer that is trying to educate and get people to realize that in 2018 it is more beneficial for you to have a home-based business than not to have one. And I'll get into that content later on, but you'll hear me constantly say, if you had a home-based business, there's some additional things that you could do to not only increase your personal income from your job, but get some tax savings for having your business as well. So stay tuned for more information. I'm looking forward to helping as many people as I can. And if anybody wants to get in the MyEcon business, you can contact me directly, inbox me, message me, and so that we can get this information out to folks. Because like in 2018, people think that the tax code that they put out for this year is going to, extremely benefit them. And it will in some ways, but it actually benefits the people who have businesses more than it benefits the people that are employees. So I'm not going to really get off into that right now, because I could be on here probably for another hour trying to explain what that means. But if you want more information on how to get a business to pay for your lifestyle, leave me a message, say I want more information. I'll shoot you a quick video, and that way you can kind of see what MyEcon is talking about and what direction myself and my wife are headed in this business. All right, people. Once again, this is Dion Mitchell. This is OTCU Financial Solutions up in here. So if you got any questions, you got any comments, please put them in the section below, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, I'm out of here.